Okay guys, in this video we'll be looking at how to use the Adspower Anti-detect Browser on your PC. Okay, so now first you're going to do is to come to the website adspower.com. Alright, once you enter adspower.com, you are going to have to create an account. You click on this sign up button right here. Okay, once you click on the sign up button right here, to take you to the sign up page where you are going to enter your email address. Okay, then click on get verification code. They will send the code to your email address. All right, so once you've verified your email, the next thing is to enter a password and for your account. Okay, enter a password for your account. So enter a referral code if you have any. Yeah, if you don't have any, it's optional. Just click on accept and click on sign up. All right. So while you sign up, all right, while you sign up, you click on this download button. Okay, click on this download button after signing up, and it will bring you to the download page. Then you select it for the kind of system you are using. Okay. So if you are using a Mac operating system, you can select Mac operating system. But if you are using Windows like I am, you click on downloads for Windows. All right. So if you want to click on downloads, it will start downloading. Okay, you will come to your download page and you will see it here. So once the download is done, I'm going to stop this because I already have it on my system. Once the download is done, all right, you already know what to do. You click on it to open, then you start in the installation process. Basically, you don't have anything to do. You just have to be clicking next till you reach the finish, and you click on finish, then launch the software. Okay. So once you've installed and launched the software, the next step is to open the software. All right, open the software on your system. You are going to see the button like this. Okay, look at my mouse. Are you seeing my mouse pointer? Right, yeah, it's coming down. All right, you, this is the logo. Okay, you are going to see the Adspower logo. All right, you once you open it, all right, you are going to see this page profiles. Okay, you click on these profiles, at the top left. Look at the left side. All right, look at the left side where my mouse pointer is. Click on profiles. So it will bring you to this page here. You see, with Adspower, you can create like 5 different profiles. Okay, that means you can run 5 different accounts on any website you're working on. Okay, so what you are going to do is, me, I already have 5 accounts here. Okay, there are already 5 accounts on this site, on my Adspower. That means I have already used up the free limit. Okay, if you want more than 5, you can get what's it called, you can pay and get more. Okay, you can go for the premium plan. Okay, let me show you where the premium plan is. Where is the pricing? Okay, let me just continue a bit. So if you click on this, what you're going to do is click on, once you're on profiles, you're going to click on add. Okay, you're going to click on this add button. Okay, click on this plus button right here. Okay, once you click on the plus button, it will show you a page. Okay, where you are going to fill in all the necessary information. Because I already have 5 profiles. Okay, I'm not able to create more. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to edit one of the profiles so that you see how to get it done. Okay, I will edit one of the profiles. It's basically the same thing. Open now. I'll then click you. Edit it. Will anyone give me profile edit too? Okay, she opens. Okay, so what you're going to do is the first thing you are going to do is to get the name of the profile. Okay, so now imagine you are helping your clients to manage Facebook accounts. Okay, let's say you are managing Facebook accounts for your clients, or you are managing their social media accounts. Okay, so you have 5 different clients. Right? Instead of using one phone to operate 5 accounts, which is risky with Facebook, you can simply use something like this. Okay, let's say the client's name is Benjamin. Okay, you type in the name of the account so that you remember that anytime you are opening this profile, this browser is going to be Benjamin's work you are going to do. Okay, so after you enter the name, then the browser, if you are using the premium plan, you can select better any browser of your choice. Okay, you can select any browser. Even if you're not, there are some browsers that are free that you can use, like this particular one that I'm using, this Chrome 134. Okay, once you click on this, you select the browser, then you select the operating system. Okay, I like selecting Windows since it's Windows I'm already using. Okay, you can select Windows, you can select Mac, what's it called? iOS, Apple, something, something. You can select this, you can select that, you can select that. Okay, you can select whatever operating system you want to use. That's the OS operating system. If you want to use Windows, you can select Windows. If you want to use what's it called iOS, you can select iOS. If you want to use this, so it was whenever you are entering the website you are going to, it is going to show like the operating system you have already picked. If you pick any operating system, Android, iOS, Macintosh, and which one it is, Linux idea. I don't have the name. So once you anyone you select is going to be the one that the site you are going to visit is going to read us. All right. So user agent, I don't like doing. I mostly don't do anything with it because I don't really need it. But if you know what you are doing, you can just do it. For me, basically, I like doing shuffle. Okay, I'll click on shuffle and it's done. Okay, the next stage is the proxy. Okay, the next stage is the proxy. Look at it here. So if you want to use enter your proxy information, you first come to proxy. Okay, click on proxy here. Even if you don't click, as you're scrolling down, eventually will see. Then use custom. Okay, custom proxy. Okay, once you click on custom proxy, it is going to bring you. This next one is this proxy type. All right, you select click on this and then you select source 5. If it's http you select http depending on the proxy type you are using, but most of the time you use http source 5, sorry. So source 5, then the IP checker is not very important, you can select anyone. Okay, which other thing, then you enter your proxy details. Okay, like this case, this is my proxy information. Okay, yeah, this is the port, this is the what's it called, this is the port, this is the user, the sorry, this is the host, this is the port. Okay, so as you're going to open it, you enter it, you enter your host here, you enter your port here, then you enter your username then password depending on the type that the what's it called, the proxy has. If your proxy has username and password, you enter it down there. Okay, fill in everything, then you click on check proxy. Okay, so once you click on check proxy, it is going to show you the proxy details. Okay, see down here, it's saying connection test pass. All right, it's showing region Great Britain. The region in Great Britain is what, England, and the city is Manchester City. All right, it's Manchester City. Okay, so once you've done that, most of the time I like to just most times I like to just pass, and every other thing here is for the technical guys. I'm not into technical work, so I like to just pass and not do anything. But if you know what you want to, or if you're looking for something special, you can do all these settings. But once I'm done inputting my proxy and my proxy is okay, next thing I do is click on this fingerprint to change the fingerprint of the browser. Okay, change the fingerprint of the browser. Sometimes you open what's it called, the proxy, the browser, and be having difficulty trying to log into the website, especially sites that have what's it called, Cloudflare. Okay, what you just do is come here and click on new fingerprint. Okay, once you click on new fingerprints, it will be your fingerprint will change. Then you go back and log in. Okay, you go back and log in. All right. So after this, the next thing is going to click OK. Okay, click OK. So me is showing modifier, but if it's you, it's going to show create new profile. Okay, once you've clicked, once you are done, then you come there and by the right side, you are seeing open here, right? For that particular profile, click open. You're wasting my time. Okay, our browser has opened. Our browser has opened. Okay, So now that your browser are open, the next thing is you can just check your proxy and see whether or not. But anything that makes the browser open, your proxy is working. You don't have to stress yourself, okay? Anything that makes your browser open is means it is okay, okay? Okay, you see, it's now showing load now. This one is not loading. Okay, you see, Manchester United, UK, Manchester United Kingdom. So that means it's working. So you can enter the website, you can do whatever you want to do. Okay, you can do whatever work you want to do. All right. So that is that for that. That is how to use Adspower Anti-detect Browser. Okay, Adspower Anti-detect Browser. So let me show you another thing. Okay, I've already showed you while I was working, alright, while I was doing this. So if you want to, maybe you come back tomorrow, okay, and you want to do what's it called, and you want to edit your profile. Maybe you want to change the IP, you want to change the IP address. You can just click on this pen icon here and change the IP. Okay, click on this pen icon here and change the IP. Okay, change your IP without going through that length of editing. Okay, or if you want to come, if you come and you just want to check whether your IP is still active, you click on this button here to check. Click on it, it will start loading. Once it turns green, that means your IP is good. Okay, that means your IP is still active and it's good. You are good to go. But if it's not active, you click on this pen icon to edit and change the IP address. Okay, and you open. That is that for that. That's everything about Adspower browser covered by like I have already told you, you can have up to 5 free profiles. You can basically use to run five accounts on any particular platform. Okay, I think that's that for that. See you in the next video. Okay, by the way, the proxy that I used in this video is from theprice.com.ng. If you're in Nigeria, you can use theprice.com.ng to buy your proxy. I use this particular proxy, 922 proxy, 1 gigabyte for 2,300 naira. Okay, so if you come to the website, theprice.com.ng, you click on this. Okay, click on this. Click on the price the proxy you want to buy. Then you scroll down, you see this number here, you click on this number to open WhatsApp conversation with you and the admin, okay, of Sulaga Networks, alright? So you make your offer, you buy the project plan that you want to buy, okay? I think that's that for that, alright? See you guys in the next video.